Okay, kids, there's another way in which you may get confused by yourself or vested interests. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. Oil companies want to confuse people about climate change, saying CO2 is not causing it because we keep saying we have to phase out oil and gas and coal and so on, which they don't want. So, what are the confusions they can raise? Weather and climate can be confused. For example, wherever you are living, let's say in the tropics somewhere, you may have a heat wave season which naturally produces some heat waves. And when the number of heat waves seems to increase year after year, scientists may begin to tell you that this is caused by global warming and climate change, which is related to greenhouse gases, which is related to fossil fuel burning, etc. And oil companies will immediately say, no, heat waves are natural, so it's nothing to do with CO2 emissions, right? So climate changes slowly, warming of 1.5 degree or so since the Industrial Revolution doesn't seem like much, but this is what happens. The number of heat waves, which is the best example to use because this is very easy to understand and this is already happening. The number of heat waves in a heat wave season may increase in your region, and in many places the numbers are increasing. They may become more intense, which means the heat wave amplitude may be 4 degrees, 5 degrees, dangerously high. And now, because of the warming, remember, warm atmosphere is a thirsty atmosphere. So also humidity will go up. So combination of warm temperatures and humidity are deadly, because at some level the body may not be able to cool itself by evaporating the sweat and so on. And the scale of these heat waves may also increase. Instead of just occurring on a small part of a big city, it may occupy the whole city or multiple regions around the city as well. So the geographical scale of these heat waves are increasing, and frequency, how many times they occur, are increasing, and the duration, instead of lasting for 1 or 2 days, they may be beginning to last for more than that, more than usual. So this is what climate change does, and weather is what you are experiencing on a day-to-day basis. So it's easy to confuse weather, especially when heat waves occur as usual in the heat wave season. But there are many other things. Spring arrives early and plants begin to bloom. Winter comes late and the snow doesn't come, and the insects or pests that are supposed to die don't die, and so on. Okay?